restaurant that's
Oh, you're in luck, buddy.
Yeah, it's
Wait, bullshit.
Take it.
No, it can't be. I got it before.
Kesha. Gladys. Okay, Gladys, it's gone.
3, 4.
I have 46.
Oh, I put down a 2.
That's a problem.
Yeah, well.
Okay, so ace on 2. Okay, 1, 2.
BS? Sorry. Yeah.
BS on me?
Yeah.
Take it.
Alright.
Owned.
Oh, let's go up there. No, let's go up there.
Why?
I want to see PS when someone's on their last card.
Sorry, what'd you say?
2 3s.
Take it.
You're not very good at this.
1 4.
Holy shit.
That's the best one ever. Can you please just either say it or
Come
let
on,
it
Danny,
go?
calm down.
Am I good?
Danny, are you okay?
What are we on?
5s.
5.
Hold on.
She said okay.
The gamification flag is so fun.
So awesome.
Yes.
Peanut butter.
Damn it. I don't get it.
Yes. Take it?
She said BS on you. And you have like half
Wow.
the deck. How are you lying?
I was too lazy to find a 6.
1 7.
1 8.
Yes.
Damn it.
Yeah, right.
That was
1 2.
some of that data.
Bullshit.
Take it. Bullshit.
Because that's great.
To me or to her?
Wow, Danny.
4.
Bullshit. It's kind of upsetting how much I know that you guys are lying. 2 5s.
Yes.
Yes.
The logo.
That's so there.
1 7.
I'm 7s, buddy.
Okay.
4 7s.
Ah.
Well. 2 8s.
There's paper towels. Like,
Take. Oh wait, no, I actually lied.
Yes.
Paul,
It's about time.
Hi, Jordan.
Hi, Kasha.
Wait, Jordan, come back here. My hair looks really good.
what time?
Yes.
Okay, anyway, and
6-ish, yeah.
so we'll be.
6:30-ish.
What time are you leaving?
5:30.
5:30. 5:30. You're not getting back by 5:30.
Well, they're leaving at 5:30.
They're leaving at 6:30.
Joe's gonna call and push his tutoring back to 8.
You should leave at 6:30, Jordan.
But my mom said 5:30.
Tell her we got back late. Just call and be like, oh, sorry.
Call her later.
There was
getting there.
traffic in the lake.
There's traffic in the lake.
Talk to her.
That doesn't
Because it makes me sound pretentious. It's like you're
Oh,
one
Billy.
person.
Like,
And, you know, Gabrielle.
turn off the music.
But not too loud.
You're gonna have to put it like by the camera.
Like you can probably.
Have Jordan hold it. Are we filming? Are you filming?
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
almost. It's so bizarre,
gonna
right?
sing?
Yeah, that's cool.
I'm gonna say shoddy.
I'm on a
Are
boat.
you recording now?
Guys, all of us say I'm on a boat.
No.
Why?
It's the lamest video ever.
This is a really bad video. No, I didn't do it.
It's not. It's on.
Now, Joe.
Video. I'm not about
Can we help you?
I'm on a boat.
Me too.
Oh my god.
Hi, do you like my phone call?
Hi Gladys, what? I got you.
Gladys, do not do that. Stop it.
Oh crap! This lens is shut.
No, don't close it, man.
Oh, it's not on.
Don't take a video of me. Don't do it.
There's a I got Gladys. Yes.
Gladys, do not hit it.
Yes. Don't
Well,
touch it.
then tell him not to film
I'm not
me.
filming you.
Gladys, if you break that, you'll know $500.
No, Bradley will owe you that.
No,
for
stand on
filming.
it.
No, you
There's our friends from Luna. No, you can't.
Stop it.
Hi, Michelle.
Oh, I like
Hey, Joe.
Hello.
this song. Oh wait, no, this is that song.
Stop.
Okay. Okay.
What did you say? Yeah, right.
She wouldn't be your pillow.
Yeah, she was.
No, you look like I'm your pillow.
I smell in this face. That would hurt.
Wait, how do you do my fist? How do you honk?
You press the one. Not too much because that's alright. Hi, Gladys. So you want him videotape you, not me.
Can you? Get up.
Yeah, but you're in the way.
It's okay, Bradley. I've been there. Thank you. I like. What is going on? That's my legs. What are you doing?
Whoa.
Did you see he went between my legs?
He wanted something. Oh, Bradley! What are you doing?
Since
Why are
when?
you doing that?
Because it's warm up here.
What are you doing that for, though?
Because it's hot up here.
Why?
Because it's like Doritos.
But no, it's not.
Dog. Stand and deliver. Dog.
Doggy!
Doggy's gonna go up there. Doggy's gonna jump in there.
Doggy's gonna fall.
Guys, Doggy's coming up there.
Doggy's gonna say hello.
Oh no, bad dog,
Doggy,
bad
doggy,
dog.
here.
Bad dog, come here. Oh my god, that was.
Oh, yes!
Don't fall off the boat, dog. Don't fall off the boat, dog. Bad dog.
I'm very excited about you. You're gonna push him into the water.
He's gonna fall into the water.
Yeah.
You're gonna jump in the water. And then I'll just like come out around the
Oh, he cubed himself. Doggy, go out.
No.
You are, as they say in China, fucking cold.
In China?
In China.
Nowhere else.
No.
No, I'm good.
Let's go to the beach. I like that.
Go to the beach and swim.
That's not a beach, that's a beach.
Is it really not open?
But like on that side there's a beach.
That's not fair.
Wow. Watch where you're going.
Watch where you're stopping.
I don't know where I'm stopping. There's no one in front of me. That's fine.
Shit,
Why not?
Someone might cut a bitch. Like a guy that lives in, the troll that lives in the lighthouse.
No, trolls live under a bridge.
I'm gonna watch all you guys die. She's back
They
there.
have barbed wire.
Where?
Oh, they're all gonna die.
What?
Oh wait, they're feeding birds. They're feeding birds. We don't want to bother them.
Ducks.
Do it!
Feet in.
Jordan, down.
Giddy up. Giddy up. Stand on your vagina.
It's not spinning.
It's uppy down.
What am I going up anyway?
It's a really crappy bouncy.
Oh no!
Joe's on the boat. Joe's on the boat. And we're bouncing.
Why?
Because you're gonna die. Don't touch it.
Holy shit. Chill, woman. Jesus. Guys, you know what? Michelle. I had my coffee, so you know what? You know what's fun now? I'm not thirsty like a ficus. I'm not thirsty like a ficus, dude. Get down from there, you're gonna kill yourself! Let's